How to add credit card to Experian. Follow the instructions. Go to Experian.com. Log into your member account. Go to the home page. Go to your profile in the top right corner. Click on it. Select the Accounts tab. Click on the plus Connect Bank Account option. Choose the type of Experian account you want to link your credit card to. Search for your bank in the options. Select your bank from the list. Enter your online banking credentials. Log in and allow access. Wait for the system to verify your account. Enter the OTP sent to your email or phone number. Verify the OTP. Select your credit card from the linked accounts. Review the terms and conditions. Accept the terms and conditions. Complete the setup. Thank you for watching.